Hi everyone, in today's video we will see Mint Mobile APN settings for Android and iPhone. Mint Mobile APN settings not working. Mint Mobile APN settings not working. Users have encountered challenges with Mint Mobile APN settings, particularly related to MMS functionality after update like Android 14. If APN settings not working, ensure that your phone is currently running in the latest OS and cellular data and the Wi-Fi is turned on. Finally, consider resting the network settings and update the APN settings manually. Fix 1. Change the network mode. Manually select the available network to troubleshoot the connection problems that may arise from the automatically network selection issues. Android, open the settings app, then network and internet, then mobile network. Network mode, switch to 2G or 3G, back to LTE or 5G. For iOS, open the settings app, then cellular data. Tap on voice and data, switch to 2G/3G, then turn back to LTE or 5G. Fix 2. Reset the network settings. For iOS, open the settings app, then general, scroll down and tap on reset. Tap on the reset network settings. You may need to enter your device passcode or Apple ID password to proceed. Confirm the action by tapping reset network settings again in the confirmation prompt. Your device will restart automatically and the network setting will be reset to their default configurations. For Android, open the settings app, network and internet, scroll down and tap on the reset or the system. Tap on the reset network settings or reset Wi-Fi. Review the information about what will be reset. Then tap on the reset settings or reset network settings. Confirm the action by tapping reset settings. Your device will restart automatically and the network settings will be reset to the default configurations. Fix 3. Update your device software. Keeping your phone software up to date is crucial for optimal performance and to avoid the compatibility issues that may affect your service. To update the operating system on an iPhone, follow these steps. Go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, tap download and install. Enter your passcode if prompted. Wait for the update to download and install. Keep your device plugged in and connected to the Wi-Fi until the update is complete. Restart your phone. To update the operating system on the Android device, follow this step. Go to settings, then system, then software update. If an update is available, tap on download and install. Wait for the update to download and install. Mint Mobile APN settings for iOS. Step 1. Check iOS version. Open the settings app, then general, then about. See the current iOS version. Step 2. For iOS 12, you will receive the setting notification automatically. If you do not receive the notification, you can trigger it by the following steps. You can also check for iOS update in settings, then general, then software update. Make sure automatic updates is enabled. Step 3. For iPhone running iOS earlier than 12, open the settings, then cellular, ensure cellular data, manually enter the APN data. Update APN settings manually for Android. Step 1. Once activated the SIM, send the setup to 6700 to have the correct settings sent to your phone. Step 2. Click on the tab to load preview button. Step 3. Open the settings app, then network and internet, then mobile network. Step 4. Tap on the access point, tap on the three-dot menu and select add. Enter the following details. Step 5. Tap the three dots in the top right and click save. Step 6. Ensure that the new access point name is selected. Step 7. Restart your phone. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.